Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda TRX250X Sport Quad. Beautiful condition, electric start, manual 5-speed transmission, shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Come on by, make your Sport Quad dreams come true for just $49.99. Plastics are great, tires are great. This thing is turnkey, ready to have fun this weekend. Come on by. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.